Welcome to Guru Trader video for Tuesday, March 16, 2010. Here's the market movers that we're looking at today. On the Canadian exchange, symbol EAG, Eagle Hill Exploration Corp, 55 cents. KHT, Yankee Hat Minerals, 7 cents, that's a new one. SQI, Silver Quest Resources, 51 cents, that's a new one. On the Toronto Stock Exchange, WTN, Western Coal Corp, 477, we've tweeted that one before. CPN, Carpathian Gold, 43 cents on the Toronto Stock Exchange. CMK, Cline Mining Corporation again, $1.11 on the Toronto Stock Exchange. And LVS, Las Vegas Sands on the New York Stock Exchange, 2006. That's one that's on a top 30 stock watch list. Let's take a closer look at these stocks. Alright, first stock we're following again today is EAG, Eagle Hill Exploration Corp, 55 cents, up 9. Over 9 million shares traded again. Only 55 million shares out in this company. Market cap's up over 30 million now. That's another 52-week high, traded as high as 58. Previous 52-week high was 49 cents, which it did yesterday. We've been tweeting about this one for a while. We first posted it on March the 10th at 35 cents, and I think it was up 20 cents that day, so it's really up from around 15 cents. Lots of news on this company. Eagle Hill Exploration Corp and Cline Mining under current evaluation. Different results here. Yeah, here it is. Extends Windfall Lake Gold Zone with initial drilling returning 19.6 grams, cut 3.51 grams over 33 meters. That looks like a good hole. Anyway, we're still following up on these results. The stock's moving up. We'd actually like to see it pull back a little bit so we could have some time to take a closer look at it, because here's the spike from around 10-15 cents not that long ago. But anyway, we'll keep following it. Next one, this is a new one, just popped up today on the most actives. Also made a new 52-week high. Let me see here. This company looks like it's been around since 2003. 7 cents up a penny. 89 million shares out. Market cap is only 6 million. Basically shell value. 52-week high previously was yesterday at 7 cents. There's the 1-year chart. Really hasn't done anything. Put the one-year chart on here. There's the 3-month. Yeah, see, you can't really tell anything from the chart. And I don't know if this is normal volume for this stock. 5 million looks like pretty good volume. Anyway, let's see what the news is. Yankee Hat announces operations plans for its gold, rare earths, and tungsten properties. So interesting properties to look into. There was a private placement here. I think that was done around a nickel. Let me see here. Quickly. Yeah. 4 cents. 2.3 million shares, around 4 cents. Non-broker private placement. Okay, next one. Silver Quest Resources, SQI on the Canadian exchange, 51 cents up a penny. A little over 2 million shares traded, 58 million shares outstanding, 30 million market cap. Not too top heavy. There's the 1-year chart on it. Very nice. Started from under a nickel. Higher highs, higher lows. Nice stair step. I'd like to see it pull back here. 40 cents is the step, and keep in mind we're going into middle of March. We got another probably a month, 2 months before some of these mining stocks go into the summer doldrums. But so keep that in mind. But anyway, this one here says Great Western Minerals Group and Silver Quest Resources under evaluation. Okay, options granted. Tesaurus Resources. Silverquest announces 43101 resource estimate for Capoose project. Silverquest Resources Davidson Property 2010 exploration program announced. I'd like to check into that. TroyMet updates key project. Okay. Silverquest intersects 24 meters, 46.7 grams silver at Capoose project, BC. So that sounds like it might be their main play right now. Silverquest Resources drilling update on Davidson property, 329 meters, 1.25 grams per ton gold intersected. That looks interesting as well. And that news release that I just pulled up, options, looks like 1 million incentive options at around 40 cents. So interesting little play. I like the chart. Not too many shares outstanding. Interesting market cap. There's one to keep an eye on. Okay, moving along. WTN, Western Coal Corp on the Toronto Stock Exchange, 477, up 24 cents. It's a little over 5%. Made the volume actives percentage gainers. Almost 10 million shares traded. Now keep in mind there's 323 million shares outstanding, but this company actually makes money. So is earnings of 42 cents a share. Market cap's $1.5 billion. Coal production, just like it says, and I'm not sure what other metals they have. Yeah, made a new high yesterday as well. There's the chart. Nice 45-degree angle from under $1 this time last year. No need to go into the news. There's lots of analyst coverage on this stock. We first tweeted them back in December 17th at 324. So it has had a nice move. CPN, Carpathian Gold Inc., also on the Toronto Stock Exchange, 43 cents up a nickel, that's 13%. Volume 6.3 million shares, 120 million market cap, 281 million shares outstanding. I believe we've mentioned this stock before. I know it's popped up. I don't know if it made the cut. Let's see. Carpathian completes Phase 2 drilling program, intersects 15.4 meters, 3.6 grams per ton gold, and advances feasibility study on its RDM gold project in Brazil. So that gives you an idea for at least one of the projects they're focused on. Carpathian Gold announces closing of 7.186 million bought deal, private placement financing. Announces 5 million bought deal financing. So they like to see what kind of treasury they have. Okay, issue price 33 cents, 21 million units for 7 million. Warrants at 45 cents. Okay, that gives you an idea for the level of financings, 33.45, right around where it is. Okay, so I'd like to get a feel for what kind of drill program they have going on. Cline mining, we've mentioned this a few times. Cline, we first mentioned on March the 10th at 77 cents. I think we mentioned it again yesterday. $1.11 again today, up another 16 cents. That's another 16%. 3.4 million shares traded, 98 million outstanding, $100 million market cap. Trades on the Toronto Stock Exchange. There's the 1-year chart. 52-week high, yes, was yesterday. Eagle Hill, let's see here. Forget where they're probably. Yeah, this Pine Tree Capital. Yeah, they put out this. Oh, this is all come out in the last day. So I haven't read any of this news yet. There was a halt. Preliminary assessment of Cline's new Elk Mine project. Okay, there's a halt to look into, some financings to look into, get a better feel for what type of properties they're working on. Anyway, still moving. And actually, lastly, LVS, Las Vegas Sands, 2006, up $1.37, 7%, so it made the percentage actives. And the volume, percentage gainers, volume actives, 42 million shares, that's 660 million shares, $13 billion company, trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Here's the 1-year chart on it. Everyone knows who Las Vegas Sands in. There's updates on their Macau properties. There's one that caught my eye here. Macau's gaming revenue soared 69% in February, so I'm sure the stock's playing well with that. We had actually Las Vegas Sands and Mirage both at around $2 or $3 on our top 30 stock watch list last year, and actually I'll show you. There's our top 30 Investors Guru top 30 small cap stocks. And Las Vegas Sands we had on there at $2.85 on March the 30th, so that's up over 600% so far to date. And Mirage we actually took off, I think, last October or whatever. I'd have to check the past small cap stocks list because I think that was at around 13 or 14, might have been $15 a share on that one. But anyway, we decided to take it off. And give me a second here. Yeah, there it is. We put it on there at 240 and we took it off at 1390 on September the 23rd because we just didn't want to. We got 3 gaming stocks on there. One's a Canadian, we had 2 American, so we took one of them off. We'd like to get more small cap on that small cap list, but some of these big caps were beaten up so much that they were priced like small caps, so we took advantage of that and put them on the list. Anyway, that's it for today. Do your homework, trade safely, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Guru Trader videos and tweets are daily snapshots of 5 to 7 very active small and microcap stocks from all North American stock exchanges. We simply track stocks that are trading up significantly on news or making new highs on very high volume without any further consideration of company fundamentals. The point is to save time by focusing on only those stocks that are moving right now. Guru Trader symbols come from filtering market movers and from subjective observations. Our software cross-references today's volume actives, percent gainers, and dollar gainers, which are filtered down to just lower price stocks. We then look at each stock's charts for apparent uptrends and news headlines for obvious one-day-only events to exclude, like a buyout, or for longer-term growth-related news like financials, drill results, patent approvals, etc. to include. This is similar to how many traders look for new stocks as a starting point for further research with their financial and investment advisors. This is not an advisory service, and conflicts may exist as we sometimes take positions, or featured stocks may have bought online advertising or IR support services. Any content published by Investors Guru Small Cap Stock Observer is subject to the terms of our privacy policy and disclaimer at investorsguru.com. For our other small cap stock channels, follow Twitter's Guru Trader Tweet in real time on your PC or mobile device at twitter.com/investorsguru. Subscribe to watch YouTube's Investors Guru video channel at youtube.com/investorsguru. Search Investors Guru at facebook.com and add us as a friend to see our videos, tweets, etc. that are all synced to post on our wall. It's free to sign up at investorsguru.com stock community for comprehensive quotes, newsletters, profiles, forums, etc., or to update your portfolio, watch list, alerts, and news by email preferences. Thanks for watching.